Today we will be going over the Biohealth Stress Profile 205. Before we get started, just make sure all the components are in the box. You should have 4 collection vials, a morning, noon, afternoon, and nighttime. You should have a biohazard specimen bag, 4 patient information labels, a patient submittal form, specimen collection transport kit, ice gel pack, and the lab pack and return shipping label. The first thing you want to do is place the ice pack flat in the freezer for at least 24 hours before shipping. Collect your samples on a typical day of stress, a work day or an errand day. You can practice spitting into a vial if you need. Just make sure you rinse the vial after practicing. Drink plenty of water the day before the collection. The night before, do not drink any caffeine, do not drink any alcohol, gently brush your teeth, and avoid any heavy exercise. 1 hour before the saliva test, do not brush your teeth or use floss, do not use mouthwash, do not eat or drink, and do not chew gum. On the collection day, avoid taking any hormones, do not drink caffeine, do not drink alcohol, do not smoke, do not exercise heavily, avoid eating bananas, chocolate, and acidic fruit, and collect the saliva before taking any medications or supplements. For the collection schedule, you want to make sure that you collect 3 milliliters, excluding the foam, 30 minutes after waking up in the morning vial. For noon, you'll take 3 milliliters, excluding foam, between 12 and 1 o'clock. In the afternoon, you'll collect 3 milliliters, excluding foam, between 4 and 5 o'clock. And then finally, you'll collect 3 milliliters, excluding foam, between 10 and 12 p.m. When it comes to collecting your sample, you must first rinse out your mouth thoroughly with water and wait a minimum of 15 minutes before collection. During this time, you can fill out the patient information label using a pen with smear-proof ink. Let it dry before placing on the vial. You can then uncap the collection vial and hold it up to your lips. Tilt your head forward and allow the saliva to naturally pool under the tongue. Avoid clearing throat and expressing phlegm into the vial. Fill the line indicated in the collection schedule section. Foamy saliva or bubbles should be avoided. Try to settle the bubbles, if any, by lightly tapping the vial on a hard surface. Cap the collection vial firmly and affix the patient information label onto the vial. Freeze the samples as soon as possible. Place the vial in the biohazard bag and keep frozen until all samples are collected and you are ready to return for shipping. Fill out the patient submittal form and survey. It is important to list all the supplements and medications that you are taking. Shipping is required Monday through Thursday. Insert your patient submittal form into the pouch located under the lid of the specimen collection and transport kit box. Place the biohazard bag containing your collection vials into the box. Place the frozen gel pack on top of the samples. Replace the insulated styrofoam insert lid. Insert survey into box kit as well. You can then insert the Biohealth test kit into the UPS shipping package. Seal, and then drop off to your local UPS drop station. If you have any questions, feel free to call our office. We will be happy to assist you.